This time, may kinalaman pa rin sa ABS-CBN Ball ang ating issue, ang ating episode. At gusto nating banggitin at least ang mga 3 o 4 na mga sources ng mga fashion groups na pumili ng kani-kanila mga respective na mga sa tingin nila ay mga best dressed noong nakaraang ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Nandoon yung Fashion Police, meron kaming nakita sa preview, tapos meron pa isang magazine, L something something. But anyway, nakakaano lang to kasi 'di ba yung ABS-CBN Ball nga na may title na Brighter Together, Brighter Together. Yan. And sinasabi dito spring formal as its dress code. Oh, yung pala naging dress code nila, spring formal. On the red carpet, the theme unfolded through a display of romantic floral inspired ensemble where vibrant hues harmonized with softer muted tones. Tama to? Correct? Silhouettes played with structure, often balancing sculptural pleats with airy, free-flowing fabrics. Each took a testament to the craftsmanship of the country's foremost designers. At eto na nga, ito na yung mga pangalan na talagang shook na para sa kanila yung mga best dressed. Yung iba dito, agree ako. Ma-agree ang Unbettable Channel. Yung iba, parang bakit parang may kulang, parang wala. Anyway, dito sa unang listahan, number 1, si Nadine Lustre, na sinuot nga po yung Raho Laurel styled by Lynn Alumno, yung na nakalagay dito. Sabi dito sa brief description, Nadine Lustre was a breathtaking sight in a sculptural Nautilus-inspired creation by Raho Laurel. The design was a masterclass in precision, a perfectly structured corset, seamlessly adorned with pleated detailing that spiraled into a voluminous fluid skirt. Elevating the look, Nadine accessorized with an antique Art Deco necklace featuring old cat diamonds and blue sapphires by JMA Jewelry from 1925. An exquisite touch revealed by her stylist Lynn Alumno on Instagram. Old Hollywood glamour at its best. Oh, ang ganda naman talaga, nakita mo, para talaga siyang reynang-reyna, beauty queen na beauty queen. Number 2, dito sa listahan na nakita natin, si Janine Gutierrez in Mark Baumgartner style by Easy Tuazon. Janine Gutierrez redefined the spring formal dress code with an oxblood statuesque Mark Baumgartner creation. Rather than taking the theme too literally, her approach was refined and understated, subtly referencing floral motifs through the deep V neckline fashioned after flower petals. The fluid fabric added movement and dimension, enhancing the gown's sleek architectural silhouette. Tapos nakita mo to, bagay na bagay sa kanyang rumampa siya mag-isa, pero magkakaroon ako ng separate episode kasi may update ako. Naka-short hair siya. Number 3 sa listahan, si Ann Curtis, Nicole and Felicia. Taray. Ann Curtis has an innate ability to make a statement without complicating things, and for her grand return to the ABS-CBN Ball, the actress did exactly that, donning a Nicole plus Felicia ensemble that married drama with restraint. The striking red column gown, punctuated by a train of just the right length, was elevated by a shawl adorned with a lush bed of roses. Romantic without being excessive, the look was a testament to her enduring sartorial influence, bold, polished, and effortlessly commanding. Ang taray! O naman, Diyos ang Ann Curtis. At number 4, Kayla Strada in Francis Libiran style by Team Rain XAM. Sabi dito, dramatic proportions ruled the night, and Kayla Strada carried the bold silhouette all too well. Her Francis Libiran gown featured a sculptural skirt with an exaggerated hip, its volume striking a dynamic contrast against the sleek bandeau top, subtly embellished with rhinestones. Despite the grandeur of the silhouette, the look remained fresh and modern thanks to its clean lines and minimal adornment. A study in architectural elegance, this look, styled by Team Rain XM, was a prime example of how to command attention without overwhelming the wearer. Ontare, di ba? Pero yung nanay niya, ha, pinagpiyastahan din si Janice de Belen kasi naka all black ba yun? Tapos biglang parang yung style na parang yung suot ni Blight na open din dito. But anyway, number 5 dito sa listahan si Beanie Mika in Michael Cinco, style by Ika Villanueva. Beanie Mika delivered an ethereal moment in a full embellished. Binabasa ko na, ha, masyadong malabo mata ko. Blush hued Michael Cinco creation. While the meticulous beadwork was undeniably a scene stealer, the true strength of the look was its impeccable construction, with the gown's sharp silhouette elongating her modelesque frame. Taray, with styling kept minimal, the focus remained on the craftsmanship, proving that sometimes the best statement is in the details. Nakakaloka, ganito talaga mag-review yung mga fashionista, Ngayon ko lang po ginagawa ito. Number 6, si Bianca Gonzalez, Intal. Naka-Bark Baumgartner din siya at in-style ng Team Rain XM. Equally dashing was the event's red carpet host, Bianca Gonzalez Intal. The asymmetrical neckline, mimicking the organic curve of a flower petal, seamlessly transitioned into a streamlined pencil skirt before blooming into a voluminous pleated hemline. The juxtaposition between simplicity in the meticulous pleating added depth to the look, making it both timeless and dynamic, a masterclass in understated glamour. Number 7, Andrea Brillantes and Neric Beltran, styled by Eds Mejia. Amid a sea of voluminous gowns, Andrea Brillantes went in an entirely different direction, embracing power dressing with a tailored tuxedo set by Neric Beltran. The sharply cut blazer featuring a daringly deep neckline exuded confidence and modernity, while the Bulgari Serpenti Viper, na alam namin, ang balita namin, pinahiram ni Heart Evangelista, necklace draped elegantly across her decolletage, adding just the right amount of lux. Strong, sleek, and undeniably commanding, this was an unexpected yet refreshingly bold choice. Ang hirap magbasa ng mga fashion reviews, Number 8, malapit na po tayo. Si Julia Montes in Vania Romov, styled by Patty Yap. Styled by Patty Yap, Julia Montes delivered a masterclass in romantic minimalism with a beautifully draped blush pink gown by Vania Romov. Crafted from silk organza, the gown's cascading layers created a dreamlike quality, bringing movement and life to an otherwise classic column silhouette. Unfussy yet captivating, the look was a perfect representation of Julia's timeless appeal. Graceful, elegant, and effortlessly radiant. Number 9, Chief Philomeno in a Mark Baumgartner. Ang taray ni Mark Baumgartner, dami palang dinamitan. Styled naman ni Perry Tabora. Si Chief Philomeno treads the balance between elegance and sensuality in this delicately draped scarlet creation by Mark Baumgartner. Delicate layers of soft tulle wrapped around her figure, creating a sense of fluid motion while maintaining a structured silhouette. Styled by Perry Tabora, she punctuates the warm-hued look with a gold Bulgari choker and a matching bracelet. Naka-Bulgari din pala ito si Chi. Number 10 is Catherine Bernardo. Dito ang dami nagre-react kasi bakit number 10 lang daw si Catherine, tapos number 1 si Nadine, Ang ganda-ganda pa naman ng picture nila together. In Anthony Ramirez, styled by Kimi and Bupyap. Catherine Bernardo kept it effortless at this year's ball. Unadorned, yet undeniably striking, the Anthony Ramirez gown relied solely on its impeccable cut and ethereal fabric to make an impact. Floating around her frame with an airy weightlessness, it encapsulated a quiet elegance that felt refreshingly modern. Styled by Kimi and Bupyap, this look is proof that sometimes the simplest silhouettes leave the most lasting impressions. Ang ganda naman pala. Pero may mga ibang site, mga ibang fashion ito nakita ko rin naman to sa Fashion Food Police. Nag-number 1 naman nila si dito si Maymay Entrata. Oo, naka Michael Cinco gown. Tapos number 2 si Julia Barreto sa Helsa gown. Na alam Miss Universe din ng Aura. Tapos si Janine Gutierrez naman ang number 3 nila. Si 4 si Ann Curtis. Naka-5 si Andrea Brillantes. At ika-6 si Kim Chu na hindi nakasama doon sa una ha. Baka naman may mga magalit na naman ng mga fans niya ni Kim ha. Habang si megastar Sharon Cuneta napasok sa number 7, although maraming nagsasabi na kaya lang pinasok kasi first timer daw sumali si Mega at para ipakita lang na grabe nang ipinayat ni Mega. Nakakaloka ang mga talaga sa kanyang Jot Law sa gown. Number 9 si Julia Montes and ang number 10 nga ay si Catherine Bernardo nga. Ang sinabi ko dito, may mga iba akong napansin doon o nakita ko sa mga videos and photos na talagang feeling ko dapat nakasama is Michelle D. Na ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakaano ng gown. Talagang lapat na lapat sa kanya. Si Angel Aquino. O, diba? Ang kadate niya that night si ang ating kumare at schoolmate na si Direk Malu Sevilla ng tawag doon, Batang Quiapo. Sila magkasama, magka-holding hands pa. Charot! Tapos sino pa ba nakita ko? Si Jane De Leon, ang ganda-ganda. O di ba? Si Heart Evangelista na, syempre alam naman natin, si Heart, fashionista naman talaga siya. At talagang raging rumarampayan internationally. Parang this time, parang ipinaubaya niya yung mga grand at wonderful gowns, mga beautiful gowns na yan sa mga iba naman. Kasi siguro nga pang international na ang level niya, 'di ba? Kaya siguro pinahiram na lang niya si Andrea Brillantes ng ng Bulgari at Chuchuchu, 'di ba? Na bumagi naman ang ganda-ganda. So ang dami mga magaganda that night. Kaya nga lang nabahiran nga ng mga kwentong alam mo na si Maris Racal, okay din. Si Elis Huson, okay din. Sa mga kalalakihan, ang mga pinag-usapan na sa kanila mga suits, sina Gerald Anderson, yun nga si Daniel Padilla, Kylie Cherry, Richard Gutierrez, Ian Veneracion, James Reid, Dominic Roque, na sinasabing parehong-pareho daw yung suot niya nung kapartner niya is si Bea Alonso kasi last ABS-CBN Ball, si Sue Ramirez na ang kanya kasama na girlfriend niya ngayon, si Jay Cuenca, si Donnie Pangilinan, among others. O, diba? So, wala lang. Masaya yan. Ang aking partner na si Gretchen Fudido, gustong-gusto ko kasi yung kanyang hair ngayon na hindi na, kinurl niya ng konti, pero yung straight, umagi sa kanya kasi lalo na napanood ko dun sa TV Patrol nung first time na talagang super straight na lang. Ang ganda-ganda ni partner Gretchen. O, kung ako maglalagay, isasama ko rin ang aking partner, no? And marami pang iba. So yan po, nanggaling po yan sa mga fashion magazines na nirespeto natin at iba mga fashion groups o mga fashionista na nagbigay ng ganyang assessment kumbaga na para sa kanila yung mga binanggit natin, yung mga best dress nung nakarang ABS-CBN Ball. Na karamihan din naman yung sa top 10, 10 lang yun, may ibang pangalan na nandoon din majority, the rest nandoon sa isang grupo, di ba? And on that note, kami naman hindi nakikipag-fashionista dyan or whatsoever. Hirap na hirap nga ako magbasa ng mga ganong klaseng reviews kasi hindi naman tayo fashion guru dito or whatever. But we do really appreciate magagandang kasi ganyan din ang binibigay na inspirasyon sa atin ng mga artistang ito. Dahil tayo mga common tao, pag nakakakita tayo ng mga ganyang mga magaganda na mga Diyos, kumbaga mga star na bumaba sa langit, at nakikita natin nagpapagandaan, sexy, kung paano lang dinadala, simple man yan or bonggang-bongga man yan, pero pinapalakpakan at hinahangaan natin. And on that note, pansamantala kami magbabahay. Maraming salamat ulit sa lahat ng mga nakasubscribe po sa amin at sa mga gusto pang mag-subscribe. Oo, diba? Maraming thank you. Ako pang yung lingkod, Ambat Nabus.